So, if you remember, it's a little uncomfortable lang, no?
Opo.
Okay. Take a deep breath. Diyan lang yan muna sa okay. Huwag iangat ang puwet. Sorry. Relax lang. Okay. 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 Sige. So, I'll do my measurements in a bit, but this is our ultrasound probe entering through the vagina.
Opo.
So, ito yung cervix mo. Ito yung bahay bata na mismo. Okay? Yung matres na tinatawag. Ito yung sac.
Opo. Oh.
And then, within it, there's a baby already na may heartbeat na. Yun. So, pwede ka na i-congratulate. Yeah, sige, we'll do our measurements, ha?
Opo.
A little uncomfortable, but shouldn't be painful. Sandali lang.
Okay po.
Okay. Just the usual, ano muna, ha?
Opo.
Nationals. And we can focus now on the baby. So, isa lang. Ito yung tinatawag na yolk sac. Eventually, mawawala na yan sa future ultrasound.
Opo.
And then, by transvaginal route, the transvaginal route is used kapag 12 weeks or less yung pinagbubuntis mo. So, yan na si baby. Malalaman na ba natin ang head area? Mukhang hindi pa.
Okay po.
No? Which one will be the head, which one will be the body? We can't tell pa. But this is the baby mismo. So, yan na siya. Equivalent to 8 weeks and 3 days. So, mas bata. Mukhang, tsaka given siguro your history of
Picos.
PCOS, baka ultrasound na gagamitin. Younger si baby. But I'll get an average how it will get other
Okay.
measurements. Other views. Kasi even the form, parang pang 8 weeks lang eh.
Okay po.
Wala pang 2 centimeters si baby. So, mas malaki pa to yung nasa screen.
Okay po.
Another angle lang. Movement, ano pa yan? You won't start to feel until about 22 weeks pa kahit na nakikita na natin sa ultrasound yung galaw ni baby. Ganun lang talaga. 8 weeks and 1 day, 8 weeks and 2 days. 1.7, 1.8 centimeters yung nakukuha kong length. So, the due date is 26 of